This is STRATACLEAN IQ, an in-sealing air purification solution that uses proven MERV 13 filtration to remove harmful contaminants, smoke, allergens, and airborne particulates. Let's see it in action. One STRATACLEAN IQ completely filters the air in a 1,000 square foot space every hour. Smart. With quiet operation, a mere 29 decibels, STRATACLEAN IQ is far quieter and more efficient than intrusive floor-based air filtration solutions. Plus, STRATACLEAN IQ uses less energy than an old-school light bulb. The sleek design allows for installation in any suspended ceiling system, retrofit or new. STRATACLEAN IQ even integrates with existing occupancy sensors to save energy. Breathe easy. You found the solution. STRATACLEAN IQ.